Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into Malcolm Gladwell's influential book, The Tipping Point: How Little Things Can Make a Big Difference. If you're interested in understanding how small changes can lead to massive impacts, you're in the right place. Let's explore the key takeaways from this fascinating book. The tipping point is all about how little things can create big changes. Gladwell argues that small, seemingly insignificant events can trigger a tipping point, where something goes from obscure to a widespread phenomenon. Here's a breakdown of the core concepts from the book. The central idea of the tipping point is that small changes can lead to dramatic effects when a critical mass is reached. Gladwell uses the analogy of a social epidemic to describe how minor changes can spark widespread shifts in behavior and trends. When the right conditions are met, these small actions can cause a tipping point, leading to significant and often rapid change. Next, we have the law of the few. Gladwell identifies 3 types of people who are key to spreading ideas and creating social epidemics: connectors. These are individuals with large social networks who link different groups of people together. They play a crucial role in bridging gaps and spreading information. Mavens. Mavens are information specialists. They are knowledgeable and share their expertise with others, helping to disseminate valuable information. Salespeople. Charismatic and persuasive, salespeople have the ability to influence and convince others to adopt new ideas or behaviors. The stickiness factor is another essential concept. For an idea to spread successfully, it must be memorable and impactful. Gladwell discusses how small changes in the way an idea is presented can make it more sticky, meaning it has a lasting impact on people. This factor is crucial for ensuring that an idea or product stays in people's minds and continues to spread. The power of context refers to how environmental and situational factors influence behavior and trends. Gladwell argues that human behavior is highly sensitive to changes in context. Factors such as the environment, social settings, and situational circumstances can significantly impact how trends emerge and evolve. Gladwell uses several case studies to illustrate his concepts. Here are a few notable examples. Hush Puppies shoes. The unexpected resurgence of this brand in the mid-1990s demonstrates how a small, niche trend can grow into a widespread fashion phenomenon. New York City's crime rate. The dramatic decrease in crime rates in the 1990s is attributed to small changes in policing and urban environments that reached a tipping point. Sesame Street and Blue's Clues. These children's educational programs show how innovative approaches to content can lead to significant impacts on educational programming and child development. So, how can you apply these insights? Gladwell's principles are useful across various fields, including marketing, public health, and social change. By understanding how ideas spread and identifying the right influencers and context, you can create more effective marketing strategies, public health initiatives, and social movements. In conclusion, The Tipping Point offers a powerful framework for understanding how trends and ideas spread. It emphasizes the impact of small changes, the role of key individuals, and the importance of context in creating significant change. If you found this video insightful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more book summaries and key takeaways. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.
The content of this video is provided for educational and informational purposes only and should not be construed as professional advice. The views expressed in this video are those of the creators and do not necessarily reflect the opinions of author. The content and images used in this video are the property of their respective owners and are used here under the doctrine of fair use. Don't miss the other videos in this series for a deeper dive into insights from leading authors and entrepreneurs. In the meantime, feel free to share your comments and let us know what topics you'd like to explore to enhance your journey towards inspirational success. Join our community of visionaries by subscribing to our channel. Hit the like button if you found this video inspiring and click the bell icon to stay updated with the latest insights and strategies from top authors and entrepreneurs. Don't miss out on any of our valuable content. Subscribe now and fuel your journey to success.